Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Harry. So this video had been viral in all over the world. You can clearly see a rocket was destroyed in this video. USA destroyed its own rocket due to rocket was out of control. To ensure the safety of citizens, this rocket was destroyed. This rocket not belong to NASA or SpaceX. Actually, this rocket belonged to Firefly. Firefly is a new private company. This company also wanted to achieve achievement like SpaceX. Sadly, they failed. It was their first rocket, and rocket name was Alpha Rocket. USA has policy for space company that they should have self-destruction system. So this rocket is also have had self-destruction system. If I tell you in detail, space startup Firefly finally launched its rocket for first time on Thursday, but the flight did not last long. 2 minutes into the flight and shortly after achieving supersonic speed, Alpha rocket experienced some problem. So USA government asked to destroy this rocket. That's all in this video. Hope you enjoy that. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.